Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pipedream AI functions for event-driven automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Pipedream website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Pipedream account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New Workflow button to start a new automation. Select the event source option for your first step. Choose the type of event you want to trigger your workflow. For example, you might select a webhook or a scheduled event. After selecting, follow the prompts to configure the event source. Once your event source is set up, click Save to proceed. Now, click on the Add Step button to incorporate a function to your workflow. From the list of options, choose Node.js to add a function. Pipedream provides a code editor for your function. Write your custom code in the editor to define the automation logic. Make sure to test your function within the editor. You can use sample data to ensure it performs as expected. Adjust any code as necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied with the function, click Save to store your changes. Next, connect additional steps if necessary by clicking Add Step again. Continue adding steps until your workflow is complete. After configuring all steps, click on the Deploy button. Your event-driven automation is now live and ready to trigger. Verify your workflow by initiating the event source manually. Check the workflow logs for any errors or performance issues. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your automation. You have successfully installed Pipedream AI functions for event-driven automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.